7 types of rest you need to know about. By now, we know that sleep affects our mental health, but is sleep enough to enable us to function normally? No. For most of us, sleep equals rest, but sleep isn't the only kind of rest that we need. Here are 7 kinds of rest that you need to prioritize in life. Number 1 is creative rest. When you're feeling uninspired or stuck in a creative block, take a walk, talk to a friend, or do things for fun. Number 2 is mental rest. To avoid feeling drained, distracted, or even out of focus, schedule short breaks throughout the day and journal your thoughts. Number 3 is physical rest. When you're feeling physically tired, make sure you allow your body to rest, relax, and decompress. You can book yourself a massage appointment or even indulge in abhyanga yourself. Number 4 is social rest. It essentially means having some me time. So do not feel guilty about cancelling plans or rescheduling meetups if you feel depleted. Check out the next video to learn about the remaining 3 types of rest. Thank you.